I'll show you some of the best skipping rope on Amazon. I'm gonna show you three. The first one I'm gonna show you is called the Teleco skipping rope with ball bearings. Now this is very budget friendly and it's very feature packed as well. In the name, it says, of course, it has ball bearings and it's adjustable as well. It has comfy memory foam. You can see memory foam like that. And of course, again, the most best thing about this is that it's very budget friendly. It's about $8 to $9. The next one I'm going to show you is called the WOT Nation Attack Speed Jump Rope. Now, this is tailored for very fast jump roping. So you can do a double under with this. And it was also crowned as the 2025 best overall skipping rope on Gym. Now, you can see it is a pretty pricey one. It's around $18 or $19 if you want to round up the cents, but it is pretty good as well. The last one I'm going to show you is called the Cross Rope Get Lean Set. Now, this is a very premium one. You can see it costs around $130, but it is a pretty good one with adjustable ropes, and I'm pretty sure you can connect it with an app as well. You can see now you can take out your work anywhere. It's a very premium kind.